Want to share your screen in Microsoft Teams without any confusion? In this quick and simple full 2025 guide, I'll show you the exact steps to share your desktop, a single window, or even a browser tab so you can collaborate and present like a pro. Let's jump right in, sign into Microsoft Teams. First, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app or the web version in your browser. Enter your login details on the welcome screen and hit Sign In. Once you're in, you'll land on your Teams dashboard, ready to start a meeting. Start or join a meeting. To share your screen, you must be in an active call or meeting. Look for the video camera icon, usually at the top right corner, and click it to start a new call. Then hit Start Meeting. You can invite participants now or later, but you need to be connected to a meeting for the share feature to work. Access the share option. Inside the meeting, check the control bar for an icon that looks like a square with an arrow. This is the Share button. Click it, and a menu will appear with several sharing options. Choose what to share. You'll see three main choices. Screen shares your entire desktop. This is great for full presentations, but remember that everyone can see anything that pops up on your screen. Window lets you pick a specific application like PowerPoint or a browser window, keeping everything else private. Tab, perfect for sharing a single browser tab when showing websites or web apps. Select the option that fits your needs. If you're sharing your whole screen, it's smart to close anything you don't want visible and have your materials ready. And that's it. A quick, foolproof way to share your screen in Microsoft Teams for 2025. Whether you're presenting slides, showing a demo, or collaborating on a project, these steps make it seamless. If this guide helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy screen sharing.